Back everybody to Mathematically Right. I've been gone for a while, COVID-19 and stuff, but hopefully I'm back for some more maths. Now today we'll be teaching you the best multiplication method ever that I know. This is one that I've used countless times and gotten the answers correct countless times because this method is very easy to learn and it's essentially 100% accurate to get the correct answer unless you yourself messed up somewhere. Now, let me do an example. 234 multiplied by 34,562. So, first things first, you write the number out on top, leaving a good amount of space. I should probably leave more, shouldn't I? Yeah. Let's leave this amount of space then. And then you write the next number on the side. So when you see these numbers, you draw some form of grid box. It doesn't have to be like looking pretty. Plus, if you're gonna use this in exams, you don't have any time to make it look pretty. So in between each number, you'll draw a line to separate the numbers. And there we go. So once you've drawn this grid, you have to put a diagonal line in each and every grid. This is so you can differentiate between units, tenth, and tenths. There's no hundreds or thousands because that's impossible. Basically, so you do it like this. You multiply like that, then like that, then like that, then like that, then like that, all the way to 2. And then once this row is completed, move on to the next row and the next row. You don't have to do them in complete order, but it's just better for me. 2 times 2, that's 4. 2 times 6, that's 12. And as you can see, the tenth goes in the top triangle and the unit goes in the bottom triangle. 2 times 5, that's 10. 2 times 4, that's 8. 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 times 3, that is 6 again. 3 times 6, that is 18. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 4, that's 12, I believe. Yeah, that's 12. 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 4, that's 8. 4 times 6, that's 24. 4 times 5, that's 20. 4 times 4, 16. 3 times 4, 12. Now, when your grid is all filled up, you just add according to the diagonal line. So this will be a group, this will be a group, this is another group, this a group, and carrying on. So 8 is on itself, so we just put 8 there. 4 plus 6, that is 10. Put a 0. Then we put it in the next grid. 2 plus 8, that's 10. Plus 4, 14 plus that little 1, that's gonna be 15. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 6, that's 17. Carry the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, that's 11, yeah. So this will be your final answer. That is your answer. 8,087,508. You might be asking why I didn't put anything there, because this is a 0. This is just a 0. This is a quick way to basically answer the questions. Shows all the working outs there, and yeah, that's how you do it. With decimals, it's a different story. So let me just erase all this, this. Let's create a new example. 2,45 times 3,1. Yeah, let's do that. You do the same thing. Do the grid. And then you multiply like you would normally do. Then you add. So when you're at this point, you will see it doesn't really make sense, right? This answer is too big to be the result of these two numbers. No, it's too big. So what you do is you count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Then you move the comma 1, 2, 3 times. So your answer will be 7,595. And you leave it like that unless they tell you to simplify to 2 decimal places. And that's your answer basically. See? It's a quick way to learn your to get the answer to practically any multiplication sum. And that concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on later. Bye.